In this video, I'm gonna show how to process a vaccine through the profiles that are involved in the vaccine application. Okay, so first we log in, then we input our veterinary owner email and password. You press login. Okay, so these are all the profiles that are needed to process a vaccine. The veterinary owner has to have a created veterinary hospital, and right now I'm gonna show how to process the vaccine. So here, as you can see, there's a created veterinary hospital called sample name, an automatic sample veterinary hospital is created so the users can interact with the system without actually modifying real information. Okay, so in the veterinary administrator, we also have the sample name that's not activated because we have not activated the veterinary hospital, but the sample one is, so we're gonna do the vaccine application in that one. So we click on it, then we go to system, and we go to the create orders box, and then go search for a pet, and then press add once we find the pet, and then press the vaccine. In the vaccine data box, we search for the vaccine by its name, or we can click search and a list of 5 will appear. If there's 5 or more, is if there's less, only the lesser amount will appear. Once you find the vaccine, you press add, then you check that it's the correct vaccine, and if it is, you go to the veterinarian section and you select which veterinarian is going to apply the vaccine, or if it can be any veterinarian. If it's any veterinarian, the order will appear in all the veterinarians that are registered to the veterinary hospital. If it's a specific one, it will only appear to the specific one. So once we're done with that, we press next. You make that everything is correct, and you press create order. Okay, so now the vaccine went to pending. We have 2 vaccines applications pending right now. One was already there. So in order for the order to move to doing, the veterinarian has to accept the order. So we go to the user's profiles, go to the veterinarian, and then here in the work we have the vaccine application. So we press details, we check the information, and we press take order. So the order now can be, you can start the order here in the action section. In the order detail box, you can start the vaccine application, but I'm gonna explain what happened in the administrator. So the administrator is in the order status box. The vaccine order went from pending to doing. So now the order is being done. He can view that in his mobile phone or computer. So then the veterinarian is applies the vaccine. So he in the order detail, he presses start, and he does the vaccine application. He applied the vaccine, and when he's done, he presses send vaccine, then next. Then here he can add a picture of the vaccine. If there's need for evidence, once he's done, he presses next. Then here he can schedule the next vaccine. So he put like in 15 days. Shots. Okay, so here he's telling the user that he has to come back in 15 days for a new vaccine application. He can put the name of the vaccine or any information needed here. Then he selects the veterinarian. It can be with him or with any veterinarian that's registered to the veterinary hospital, and the time. Once he's done, he presses next. You make sure that everything is correct, and you press end vaccine. Right now the system is uploading the picture, so I'm waiting for it to upload. The internet here is very crappy. So right now we ended the vaccine. The order now in the action section, it shows it as done. So we then press archive order. So now the order is here in the archive orders. You can check the details, view, media, and that's how you finish the vaccine in the veterinarian. But then the vaccine goes to the administrator, and here it was in doing. Now it's waiting out. It's waiting for payment. So you press review payment. You check that everything is correct. You press next if everything is correct. You input the payment. Add, and then you press as paid account. Okay, so the vaccine was already processed in the administrator and the veterinarian, and it went to the pet's medical history in the pet owner. Here, pet example. Here is the vaccine. And that's how you process a